Hi there, if you're a beginner guitarist looking to liven up their strumming playing, then give this short video a try. For many beginner guitarists, strumming is just this. Simple down, up, down rhythms, or just this. Just downstrokes. Now that can be a bit boring, a bit repetitive at times, even though it's important to do. So one of the things we can do to make your playing a little better is by playing a bass note on the first beat of the bar. And we're using the E chord here, and the lowest string, the low E string, that there is our bass note. And we can pick this on the first beat of the bar. And if we're in 4/4, it'll be pick, strum, strum, strum. Pick, strum, strum, strum. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One thing we can also do though is with your strumming hand, you can change up the rhythm. Yeah, you can do just simple downstrokes, or you could do down up strokes, or whatever fits the rhythm of the chord progression, the song that you're playing. So for example, something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Down, up, down, up. To develop this a little bit more, we can play another bass note. And on the E chord, what we're going to play is the 5th string. And the 5th string, that note there is a B. So we're going to be playing low E and then a B, low E and then a B. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you start to hear a little country vibe to that kind of picking. And again, your strumming hand can do different things on the 2nd and 4th beats. But as long as you are in time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was a very simple down and up stroke on the 2nd and 4th beats. Simple techniques that will liven up your guitar playing. Thanks for watching, and if you're not busy right now, why don't you check out this video here and carry on learning. Thanks for watching.